We have been exporting since 1989 and we export to more than 20-25 countries. And Turkey being one of the centrally located regions of this particular area between Asia and Europe. So we have been doing good business over here since not just a couple of years but more than a decade now. So Turkey has been one of our important markets, and ITM of course is a very important show for us. So we have been participating in ITM since probably more than 8 years now. This show is not only important for us for the Turkish market, but it's a lot of customers over here from the surrounding countries like Iran, like Russia, like Uzbekistan, like Egypt, and many other countries. Many other customers do visit us particularly. So it's a very important space for us, location for displaying and showcasing our new developments. So EMBEE Group is specialized in textile rotary printing systems, which includes the rotary printing machine and also the complete system for textile printing, which including the screen preparation system, color preparation system, sample printing, and also other accessories. So we provide a complete solution for somebody who wants to do rotary textile printing. Yeah, so as you know, textile is an industry which is very popular and very growing in a lot of emerging markets. So we have a business presence in more than 20-25 countries, and especially some of them which are very important markets for us and growing markets for us include Turkey, include Uzbekistan, include Russia, include Egypt, including many African countries like Tanzania, Ethiopia. We also have presence in Asian and Southeast Asian countries such as Indonesia. We also do exports in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and also we have a presence in Latin America such as Mexico, Peru, Colombia, Brazil. So yes, we have a good experience and also a good presence in most of the textile centers around the world. Yeah, certainly. So we have a lot of developments on the rotary printing machine side. Now we have almost 3-4 different types of models for printing, and we have done a lot of research over the last couple of years. I know since my traveling since more than 15 years now into different countries. Earlier, around 7-8 years ago, I used to see that a lot of customers from other countries, they were hesitant to buy Indian printing machine. They wanted to buy only European machine. And now in the last 3-4 years, we have seen a significant change in this perception. Today, customers are not only showing keen interest, but very actively buying our products and very actively supporting and they're very enthusiastic about our new developments. So printing machine is definitely one of our major new developments which keep on happening. Other than that, we also developed the world's first laser stripping machine 7 years ago, which is a very successful product in which new developments keep on happening. The most recent development that we have done now is the laser engraving machine. The first laser engraving machine made by an Indian company, fully indigenously produced machine, which is our latest development. So this is we believe that except for 1 or 2 European counterparts, there is nobody in the world who has successfully developed this machine, and we see a very good potential, particularly in this particular field. So you have asked a very, very important and relevant question, and over the many couple of years, what we have seen and what we have adopted as part of our core strategy is to look into the customer and focus on our customer. We do not believe in focusing on what our competitors do. As you know, Jeff Bezos, as CEO of Amazon, has said, we focus more on what our customers needs. We look what is the best solution for the customer, and we are a company that we believe we are specialized in customization. We do not believe in making generalized standard products which are low cost or which do serve a limited purpose. On the contrary, we try to bring out solutions which best serves the customer's needs. and this has just helped us to grow in a very different way, where we engage a lot with our customers to understand what are their specific needs. And this is our way of working. It just helps us. Of course, price is at a certain point necessary, but more important is to understand what the customers need at the core level. And if we adopt and we work in this way, I think it serves a very good purpose. It's a win-win relationship for us and the customer as well. See, of course, at EMBEE, innovation is also one of the core values, I would say, because of which we have grown over several years. Our company started in 1956 making textile trolleys. Then we made parts, then we made equipments, then we made machines. So innovation is continuously there in our core, you can say in our blood or in our core values. But other than that, so that is always, we always keep looking for new and what is the future. Digital printing, of course, is growing significantly. But today still, like more than, I would say more than 90% or even probably more than 95% of the fabric which is printed is still conventionally printed, and we still believe there is a lot of room and space there. What we see is that digital has its own niche market, while the rotary printing has a different market. So at the moment they are not conflicting with each other. Rather, it's the world, we believe, is changing, where a printer would need both. They would need the conventional rotary printing as well as they would need a digital for a different market. So I think it's a complementary thing rather than a purely competing thing. See, we already keep working on a lot of things, but we go step by step. But when the time comes, we'll definitely inform when we are going to do. But yeah, we are working slowly and gradually. We want to find what is the best area that we would like to focus as far as digital is concerned. But it's still work in progress, I would say, at the moment. It's a very, very good question that has actually touched me recently. So I was on a flight, one of the flights, and I love watching documentaries, and I watched a very good documentary which is Beyond Zero. It's a very good example of a very famous company called Interface. It's one of the world's largest carpet tiles manufacturer, and how they completely transformed their company into somebody who is today doing their carbon negative company. Now, you imagine a world's largest company who is now making carpet tiles, who is carbon negative, not zero, but beyond zero. That's basically the message of the film, and that film so touched me deeply, and I believe it's everyone should watch it in this printing and textile industry. So yeah, we surely support, we surely believe that it is 100% possible. One must have the strong intention to do it. And as far as sustainability is concerned, we take care of a lot of things that we can do on our own. Like, for example, in printing, we have a lot of water is used for washing. So we have systems that enable to recirculate the wastewater and minimize the fresh water consumption as much as possible. All our washing equipments that we use for washing screens or squeegees or drums, all of them have the ability to use recycled water so that the fresh water consumption is reduced. If you see our latest product, the most innovative product, laser stripping machine, is a 100% sustainable product. Earlier, for cleaning screens, very hazardous chemicals were used. So this product is a completely dry product, no chemicals are used, and with very clean, sustainable measures you can achieve. You can not only be profitable, but you can also do a very good job for the environment. So it's also, we always take care of sustainability. It's also one of our important things, because as an equipment manufacturer, if we don't give that thing, then the people who use our products, they are ultimately going to affect the environment. So I believe that at some point of time, even that responsibility comes to us in some sort of way. So one thing that has taught our from experience is, we started exporting. We may not be a very big company, but we started exporting from 1989. And over the last 30-35 years, what we have learned most from our export experience is, it has taught us how to improve quality. and the simple reason is we were able to understand what customer demands are globally, and that help us to constantly innovate, improve and develop new products or improvise the existing products. So this has helped us to make it very our products very globally, internationally approved products. And so it is important that one should have exposure to several regions to understand the demands and expectations of the end users. And I believe today, as far as EMBEE is concerned, we have one of the best technologies available on this planet for printing and printing systems. And this is also the reason why over the last 4-5 years we have seen a significant change. People are not just showing interest but actively buying our printing machine, which was not the case earlier. We see a very different perception, the way they respect us, the way they come and meet us, the way they look at our and appreciate our work. So I think it gives us a lot of confidence, and probably there are a lot of Indian machine manufacturers who are now also following a similar path. So we see a lot of potential for Indian manufacturers because we are cost effective. The thing is, we need to improve our quality standards so that we can expect the global expectations.